Now I will show how using this engraver to make this, and many other even cooler things, literally with a single mouse click. Even a person who has never dealt with similar devices will be able to do this, because it is incredibly simple. This engraver is great because it is delivered to you already assembled and immediately ready for work. All components are compactly placed inside the device. I carefully take everything out, and now I am connecting it. You can read the instructions, but everything is intuitively clear even without them. I install the screen. Here you need to connect the ribbon cable and place the screen into its position. I connect the power cable. I connect the pump. It is impossible to make a mistake here. All connectors are unique. And of course, I remove the protective film. This is the most pleasant part. Everything is ready for work. I inserted the key and turned on the engraver. You can transfer information for engraving via the internet, using a phone or by connecting to a computer. I used the last method. The first thing that came to hand was a corrugated cardboard box in which a courier delivered something to my wife today. We will start our experiments with the box. I installed the program downloaded from the official website. I select our engraver model, and I photograph the object we are working with in order to orient the placement of the image on the box. You can use an image from the internet, you can draw something yourself, or for a start you can use the gallery that is available in the program. I will take this Santa Claus. He is cool. I double-clicked with the mouse and removed everything unnecessary. In the menu, I select the type of material, which is corrugated cardboard, and I start engraving. Next, I will talk in a little more detail about the capabilities of the program. In fact, the device does not print, but burns the image with a laser. If you look closely, there is a slight indentation along the contour. The precision impressed me. I did not think that an engraver could do this so well. Now I will complement the image on the box with three-dimensional elements. I unscrew the legs. I install a floor base and a piece of plywood to protect the floor from damage. Now I will cut snowflakes from corrugated cardboard. In the left menu, there are various shapes, including a snowflake. I will add several of them in different sizes. And in order for the engraver not to draw the image but to cut it out, it is simply necessary to change the operating mode in the menu. I press Start and observe the magical process. They fall out by themselves. Done. This is the trace that remained. The laser burns through the corrugated cardboard completely. This is what turned out. Our box and the snowflakes on it. In this way, you can decorate anything. Here, everything depends on your imagination. My son really liked the Santa Claus, and he asked me to make this image separately. I select the man in the hat with the mouse, and I engrave it. Then in the top menu, I create an outline, just like this. I select the man inside and delete him. I set the outline to cutting mode. The child is satisfied. Now I will experiment with a putty knife that went through the entire construction of our two-story house. I will make a text inscription on the metal part, so as not to forget that it is worth not only working but also finding time to rest. I select the material type, metal, and the mode, contour engraving. I will also apply an image to the plastic part of the putty knife. The program gallery contains not only shapes, but also images. I select plastic and change the mode. Now it is not contour engraving, but engraving with fill. Even on a surface that is not perfectly clean, everything is applied well. With the help of the engraver, we will also solve a practical problem. During the construction of the camper, our kitchen front panel fell and a hole formed in the most visible place. An unpleasant moment. The front board needs to be replaced, but we will not do that. We will easily improve the appearance of the kitchen using the engraver without replacing the front panel. I asked ChatGPT to generate the image I need, and I transfer the logo into the program. In the same way, you can also transfer images drawn by hand. You draw it, photograph it, and add it to the program. I press the Trace Image button. I adjust the quality I need. That is all. I have a vector image. I take a piece of plastic. I take a photo of the object placed in our device. I select the material type and the mode, cutting. During laser operations, smoke and an unpleasant smell are released. Therefore, the manufacturer has provided exhaust of used air using a tube. I organize this very simply. I connect the end of the tube to the kitchen exhaust hood when needed, since I do not use the device very often. This is the leftover. This is the leftover, and this is what I got. The idea is that the large mountain should cover the hole in the wall. Let us see what comes of it. In my opinion, it turned out better than if we had simply replaced the front panel. The engraver allows applying images to leather, denim fabric, glass, aluminum, paper, wood, and metal. You can apply images by contour with fill or perform laser cutting. However, cutting is not available for all materials. You can use ready-made presets or experiment and manually adjust the laser intensity and speed. The device has autofocus, which simplifies and speeds up the work. Also, by connecting the roller kit, we can engrave on cups, glasses, thermoses, and other round objects. By tradition, I left the link to the engraver below the video. Follow the link and study it in more detail. I wish everyone a good day and see you in new videos.